Alright guys, I have this fancy remote control. Um, I have for a while. Doesn't work because apparently it's a aircon remote from heating. Doesn't want to work because it's all in Monaco ones. And I hate when I use the ones that has heating pad on it. It's so ridiculously cheap. And of course, um, of course, uh, uh, of course, Arrow, LEC or something like that. I don't know what that is. It's a different brand. It's the same brand I bought from a fan, the big one. It's so cheap. And of course, this one's different. It's automatic remote. I had another one. I got this one. It's a heated remote. It's got the cooling system on it. If I press it over the here, you can hear it. Watch. See? And then this. What's wrong with this stupid glove? So that's the remote control. So this is the same one, but it's a different button settings. It's got on and off button, medium, time, oscillator, cancel. You can cancel it if you want. Up, down. This is just the heater that's very cheap, and of course they break easily because once you drop it on the wall, it breaks. Stupid dumb remote. Fancy heater remote. I had an extra heater. It came with this heater, the built-in heater, but I think it's been put away or something. I don't know. I think it broke, so I'll just using this one. This one's just. Oh no, stupid phone. Of course it's my stupid nightlight. How stupid. This cloth keeps moving. I don't know why. It keeps moving. Stupid thing. Gosh. Cheap remote. Of course it doesn't. Of course I don't want to press it because it's kind of not working to the heater I had. It's only the one I showed you. This one's different. It's a oscillator one. Same one, but it's a different one. Stupid fancy remote. Doesn't work properly. Stupid cloth. My tomboy. My cardboard. And flying over my cloth. It slipped out of my hand off the glove. Stupid thing. Stupid pencil. This stupid dumb rubber. Oh, what? Man, stupid. It's coming off. Gosh. Damn it. Doesn't work on this stupid dumb pink pencil. Oh well, it's finished. Now to move on to the next one.